Well, there's the concept art for Rivers of America. I believe that's the C.K.Holiday. That is really cool.
First time in how many years?
This is by far one of the most beautiful engines here on the Disneyland Railroad. It's still my favorites, the EP Ripley, but this is by far the most stylish out of all of the engines here on the Disneyland Railroad. The water tower right there. They used to be able to use that, but unfortunately I don't think they're using it anymore, so they're just using a hose. I think it's more for decoration purposes now. These are supposed to have sand, or they're also water pitchers, but those are just for decoration. Just for old time's sake, let's climb aboard. That's the view right there. I'm so ready for this to come back. I can't wait for it to come back. It won't be for like another year, but you know, still, it's gonna be pretty cool when it comes back. I can't wait to see the new Frontierland design that they have. I just showed you an image of the what it's going to look like, or the concept art. It looks fantastic. So anyways, I wanted to see the C.K.Holiday when I was here, and I'm so glad it's out. Now that I've seen everybody except for the Ward Kimball, I believe that that's right. I might have to look it up, but yeah, love these engines. On my very first trip to Disneyland, my very first attraction that I was on was the Disneyland Railroad. And I have enjoyed it ever since, and I'm so looking forward to when they're bringing this back. Come on guys, make it sooner. Speed up time. We need time from Alice Through the Looking Glass to speed up the time. Alright, so I'm out of here. Ugh. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. See you guys next time here on the Disneyland video series. And I hope your day was a magical one.